Welcome back to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix Paralives game crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, showing black screen or several other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your PC. So for that, click on the Windows icon. After that, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, I will launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next method is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game. Here I'm showing an example. Now right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you have to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. If this also doesn't work, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to run the game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, select a game under library section, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where a game has been installed. Now from here you have to select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode for, select Windows 8, hit on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen optimization, hit on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. But if the issue continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to install Visual C++ file. So for that, I have already given the link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in your browser. Once the website opens, go below. From here, you have to click on the link to download the Visual C++ files. Once it is downloaded, open it. You will get repair or install option. Click on repair, click on yes, wait for some time. And once it is installed, now close this. After that, restart your PC, and once your PC restarts, again log into the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the search option. Here you have to search for Windows security. Click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings, and here you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Once you add the game, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and check. Next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows Update, click on check for updates. This will check and update your Windows, and once done, launch the game and check. Next is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for device manager. After that, here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for driver. So this will check and update your graphics cards. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to clear download cache. So for that, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on downloads, go below, click on clear cache beside clear download cache. This will clear your local download cache and restart Steam. You need to log into Steam, so confirm it, and after that log into Steam with your username and password and again check if the game is launching or not. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this may take some time, wait for it unless it is finished, and after that launch the game and check. Next method is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the search option, search for task manager. After that, here under background process tab, you have to check for those apps which are running in the background. You simply have to select it. Now after selecting it, right click on it and then click on edit task. So this will completely close the app that is running in the background, and after that try to launch the game and check. Next is to disable antivirus software. So if there is any antivirus software installed on your system, then you are suggested to disable it before you launch the game. This will surely help to resolve the problem. Next is to disable integrated graphics card. So for that, you have to go to the search option, search for device manager, and here expand display adapter, select a graphics card, right click on it, click on disable device. Once you have done this, now launch the game and check if the game is opening or not. But later on, come back again and select enable device and then move to the next method. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, just go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, And under generally, you can see enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If this option is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, after that, launch the game and check. For GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on Get Icon beside username, click on General, switch off in-game overlay options. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay option. Next is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, first click on add a desktop app. After that, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Once you add the game, now select the game, click on the arrow icon, and under GPU preference you have to select high performance. After that, launch the game and check. But if the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall Paralives game. So for that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, and click on uninstall, and then click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC, and once your PC restarts, again launch Steam and reinstall Paralives game, and finally click on the play option to check if it's working now. So these are few suggested solutions to fix Paralives game crashing at startup, crash to desktop, stuck on loading screen not loading, stuck on black screen error on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.